The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cornish, or about 8 miles northeast of Claremont, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Croydon, Grantham and Springfield Point. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.